In front of me is Google Pixel 9 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Now you can tap on this plus to create a new one right away, or beforehand use those three dots at the top right corner, select settings and operate all of those however you want to. When you're ready, go back, tap on plus icon and set up an hour. Then choose OK and adjust your alarm however you want to. At the top you can add label and save it by hitting OK. Then click on days of the week to set them up. And to exclude some specific dates, use this plus next to pause alarm. Pick a date to exclude and hit OK. To remove a chosen one, you need to tap on remove button right next to it. Then by tapping on this little bell over here, you can download one of those sound sources and log in to use music from them. Click on sounds and tap on record new to create your new alarm sound. Select save. Or you can simply tap on add new under your sounds to pick any song from your device. And also, even simpler, click on one of those sounds. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, you need to go back, click on those three icons next to vibrate, weather forecast and Google Assistant routine to manage all of those options. And finally, to hide all of those settings, click at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created and customized. To switch it off or on, use this switcher next to it. To delete it, click at the top right corner and use this pin icon. And to edit it, just click on the top right corner and make all of your changes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!